Promotional consideration has been provided for this segment by the Higgins Group in exchange for their inclusion in the program.
Chattanooga Circuit Judge ruled Tennessee's $750,000 tort reform damage limit, the limit, was unconstitutional. So Jim Higgins is here to talk about this. The state tried to do this so there weren't like $7 million awards and that sort of thing. But now the judge is saying, hold on a minute, people want their day in court.
Well, yeah, that's what the circuit court judge said. And, we talked about that a little bit ago. And I think you called it, Bob. You said, it's going to go up to the Supreme Court and that's going to be the final word. Well, it did. It just got up there. And the court said, what it is, they flipped that judge's ruling and they said it's too early. That judge had made that decision before the case had gone to trial.
You have to have a case.
That's what the Supreme Court said. They said,
learned that in
what?
School.
That's right. So they said, hey, until a jury comes back and says somebody is owed more than $750,000, which will be a traumatic case. It'll be a loss of a child or a neglect
But when
case.
you have a dramatic case, it's also the sense of justice you're searching for.
Oh, absolutely. Yes. I mean, absolutely. I don't think people understand that until you go through it.
And justice might be worth more than $750,000, or the message might be more than $750,000.
And that's what this judge said, is our Constitution says, hey, you got a right to have a jury, not by the legislature, not by a judge, but by your neighbors and people that we work with and people in our state. And this judge says, hey, you're destroying that right. When you say, oh yeah, go ahead and have it.
So what comes next is it's not done yet. We need to get a case, and then it goes.
That's it. So it's probably going to be a couple of years.
Final question: are your tickets to the games now worth more? Now that Wisenhunt is out?
It would not take much to get them to be worth more lately. I can't hardly give them away.
Ken Wisenhunt, by the way, fired as coach of the Titans. Yeah. Malarkey of all names.
Malarkey.
Coach Malarkey is now in charge. Jim Higgins of the Higgins Firm. You can get more at Jim Higgins at thehigginsfirm.com. There we go.
Thank you, Bob.